So let's take a look at how you can create dashboard from the template. So what I will do is first log into developer edition of Einstein Analytics in Salesforce, then click on app launcher. Okay, that should launch something like this. Then click on Analytics Studio. That should open in new tab and look something like this. Now here we click on create button and then dashboard. Now here you get two choices from dashboard from template or blank dashboard. I already shown you how to create from blank dashboard, so let's create dashboard from template. Okay, now here you see you have comparisons, dashboard details, blank, performance, and summary or metrics. There is also table expansion, tiles, 3-column, time series. Okay, so choose something that you're comfortable with, something like performance summary or summary dashboard. Okay, or you have details as well, so you can choose which you are comfortable with. So I'm going to choose this GMT blank dashboard, but considering it is time zone related, I will skip to something more detail oriented and continue. Okay, so summary dashboard it is. Now here let's name this summary dash app. Okay, select an app, summary dashboard. So let's name this my summary dashboard, then select an app. Let's choose my DTC cells, then click on create. It will open in new tab within Analytics Studio and will show you the summary with already populated widgets. Okay, so let's go with preview mode, and here you see you have to add queries for each of the elements in order for it to be readable. So we have to add numbers and metrics here, like add chart, make queries. Okay, so let's say DTC opportunity is one such. So I'll show you one example in it. Okay, so let's rename this DTC query. Okay, now in pass we will see, let's say created month. Okay, and we will also add billing state, so that would give you much more cleaner data. Now let's click on done and see how our dashboard looks now. And here you see we have added one element and our dashboard looks something like this. So you have to do that for each of the elements here for it to be viewable. So you get the idea how to use templates to build your data dashboard here in Analytics Studio.